Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to share with you how to earn $100 a day as a lazy 16-year-old. Now, like most things I share on this channel, this is really simple, it's really easy, you do not need any skills and you don't even need to go ahead and pay any money to get started with this. So let's just jump straight into this and we'll go through the exact process and I'll show examples of people who are doing this, what they're doing, how they're doing and exactly how you can do this yourself. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing 5 methods with you and I'm going to start with a really simple one and we're going to work our way through, and the 5th one in my opinion is absolutely the easiest, most simplest way to make money online. You do the work once and then you can go ahead and earn potentially a passive income for the rest of your life. Now, very quickly, if this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome. If you're looking for really simple, really easy ways to make money online, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, I'll drop a link below for you. If you go over to my blog, I've got a blog about making money online and I've got a members area. Check out the members area. There's lots of free resources in there to make money online. There's ebooks, there's PDFs, there's courses. We'll go through things like eBay, there's Amazon, there's Teespring. There's just so many different ways to make money and it's all free, so go ahead and check it out. So let's jump into this video today. So, first method I'm going to share with you is a YouTube gaming channel, because I know young kids like to go ahead and play video games and get them uploaded onto YouTube. The biggest problem most people have with this is building an audience, and I speak to many people who have tried to go ahead and make a YouTube channel but then they just stop doing it because they're not getting the audience, they're not getting people watching their content. A really simple method of how you can go and grow your YouTube channel is by going over to a platform called Twitch TV. Now, you may already know about this, you may not, but basically Twitch TV is a massive website for gamers. Now, what you can do on there is you can simply go ahead and broadcast your video onto Twitch, and then whilst you're broadcasting that video onto Twitch, you're recording your screen. At the end of that broadcast, you then press stop on your video recorder, you take the video from Twitch, you then upload that video onto YouTube, and now what you're doing here is you're reaching 2 different audiences. You've got your audience on YouTube, you've got your audience on Twitch, and basically you're going to be driving your viewers from Twitch over to YouTube. Now, this will help you to go and build your YouTube channel, and also what I'll do is below the video I'll drop a link to a video I did a couple of days ago about how I went from 200 subscribers over to 1,000 subscribers in about 6 weeks. So I'll drop a link to that below for you. If you're interested in growing your YouTube channel, then that video will walk you through the process of exactly how I've managed to grow this channel very quickly in a short space of time. So I'll go ahead and check and drop that below for you. But a YouTube gaming channel, very popular way to make money online, is just focusing on that audience. Number 2 is freelance work. Now, I did say at the start of this video, this is a lazy way and I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money a very lazy way using freelance work. So what you'd be focusing on is providing digital services. Now, we did a video on this a couple of days ago, but what you want to be doing is you want to be focusing on hot topics. So things like graphic design. There's thousands of people looking for services in graphic design. You've got YouTube thumbnails, you've got logos, business cards, Photoshop, there's many more. Now, to do this, there's many different sites that you can go ahead and use. One of the easiest ones to use is this one here, which is Upwork.com. So you can see here there's currently 9,100 jobs just for graphic design alone. So scroll down here and we'll find some jobs what you can do, and I'll show you how you can just copy and paste this and go ahead and make money. So scroll down here. So this is the first one here. Somebody here is looking for a WordPress website. They're paying $150. So how do we do this the lazy way? Well, we'll go over to this website here called Fiverr.com. This is absolutely free to get started with, and at the top here I've just typed in WordPress website. Now what we're going to do is we're going to find someone on here who can go ahead and create and complete this job over here on Upwork. So they're paying over on Upwork $150. So we're going to look for someone below this price point. We're then going to come back over to here and we'll apply for this job. Once the job gets accepted, you come over onto Fiverr, you buy the gig on Fiverr, and then you profit the difference between how much the person over on Upwork pays you and then how much you pay to the person on Fiverr. So you scroll down here. So basically what I would say is do not start at these £4.12. You want to find someone, I normally try and find about halfway in between. So for instance, let's just go down here. This person here, they will design a WordPress website starting at £45.28. That's a bit too high for me. Personally, I'd be focusing on around this sort of price point here. So this person here will create a WordPress website for you starting at this price point here. You've got another one over here. You've got another one here. Oh, no, this is a forum site. You've got, let's scrolling down on here. So we've got another one here at £40. We've then got another one here. So basically, you're just going to be going ahead. You go through Upwork, you scroll through, you find something that you can go and get a gig for on Fiverr. Once you find this, you apply for this job on here. Once you get accepted, you go over to Fiverr, you get someone to complete the works for you, and then you get paid via Upwork. And then basically, you keep the difference in this price here and the price that you pay over on Fiverr. Now, this is just a website example, but if we scroll down here, there's lots more of these that you can do. Keep coming down here. We've got this one here, a logo for a new company logo or business cards. Business cards is a huge topic that you can do again on Fiverr. Keep scrolling down here. We've got someone needs a flyer creating. This is $30. Really simple. Again, if you didn't want to use Fiverr and like some of these ones here, like creating a flyer and creating business cards, then go over to a website called canva.com. It's absolutely free. It gives you graphics, it gives you templates that you can use. You can create them yourself. You come over to Upwork and then you apply for these jobs. As you saw at the beginning, there's 9,000 of these, and whether you're going to go ahead and use Fiverr or you're going to use Canva, it's a really simple and it's really lazy way to make money online. So that was number 2. The third one is stock photos. Now, stock photos, how you make money with stock photos, there's hundreds of different websites which will for uploading photos, and then you've got sites like iStock, you've got Shutterstock, you've got Pexels, and that's just 3 from a huge list. Just go on Google and Google stock photos. But basically what will happen is you take photos, you upload them onto these sites, you give them relevant categories or relevant tags, and then when people purchase your photos that you upload, then you go ahead and earn a commission. Now, commissions can vary. They can start anywhere from $2 all the way up to, the most I've seen on one website was $8, so you can go from $2 to $80. Now, in terms of which photos you want to be focusing on, focus on these topics here. So health, wealth, fitness and sports. So just go onto these websites, so go onto iStock, go into this category health or wealth, and just have a look at similar pictures which people have uploaded. That will give you an idea of different types of photos that you can try and create yourself and then upload them onto there, and then you will get paid for doing so. But what I do like about this is, again, this is potentially a passive income, because once you've taken the photos and you've uploaded them on there, you will then go ahead and earn a commission every time somebody buys them. Now, you might be wondering who on earth would buy these photos. Well, there's lots of people who are looking for these photos. You've got you've got bloggers, you've got website owners, you've got people on YouTube, you've got companies, you've got big brands. There's always lots of people looking for these types of photos. So it's really simple, it's really easy, and it's a pretty lazy way to make some money. So next we're going to go ahead and have a look at, the next one I'm going to share with you is this one. So this is writing articles and blog posts. Now, for this you do not need any experience and it's free to start. Now, let me go and show you this. So let me come out of this, So where would you go ahead and write blog articles and things? So for this, instead of using a site like, I mean, you could use Upwork, but instead of using a site like this, I found this article online. I'll drop a link to this below for you. This here has got 100 different websites which pay you to write articles, and there's different topics and niches on here. So I'll scroll down here and show you some examples here. So this one here, this is a website that will pay you between $50 and $100 here, and again it'll show you all the opportunities on here, how to get started. You've then got another one here. Come down the page here again, let's keep going down. You've got this one here, this college humour, how to get started. I mean, really simple. They're all absolutely free to get started with, and they all tell you the rates of pay. So like this one here, they'll pay you $25 if they put your article on the articles page, $50 if they make it on the home page, and then you make an extra $50 if it gets more than 100,000 views. There's just so many different categories, so many different topics. You've got this one here, this is cracks.com. This is a humour site, again free to get started with, and this is how much you can expect to earn on this website. So I'll drop a link to this blog article below for you. There's over 100 different websites on here which will pay you to go ahead and write articles. You've also got other sites like Medium, you've got Steemit. There's just lots and lots of these different platforms where you can go ahead and submit your blog article to, or your website article, and you'll get paid for doing so. It's a really simple way to make some extra money online. The last one we're going to look at is this one here. This, in my opinion, is without a doubt the easiest way and best way to make money online. It's affiliate marketing, and you can basically break it down into 3 steps. Select a product to promote, create a website, and then you would go ahead and review products. Now I'll give you some examples of people doing this. So let me just go over here. So let's just go on to this here. So some examples of this here is, so this is a website here called stuff.tv. So this here is a website, and all they're doing is they're basically going ahead and finding the 10 best ofs in their opinion. They're just creating these lists. So this here is the 10 best iPhone and iPad apps. So all they're doing here is that they're listing the apps, and every time someone goes ahead and buys one of these, they will make a commission for doing so. So this is a really simple one with apps. We've got another one over here. This is on wired.co.uk. Now if you scroll up to the top of this one, this is predominantly via the Amazon affiliate program. So basically here, the best gadgets and gear in 2019. Scroll down here, here's a TV. You click on here, they will earn a commission for doing so. Again, scroll down here. We've then got this one here, so check this out on Amazon. They'll earn a commission from Amazon. This one, Amazon, scroll down. This one's on Apple, keep coming down the page here, again Amazon. So lots of these websites, all they're doing here basically is they're going over to Amazon Associates, they're creating their account on there, it's absolutely free to get started with, and then what you can do is, all of these pictures here, you can take these from Amazon, you can take the text here and the descriptions from Amazon, and you just do these lists. And another great thing that you do is you can do more specific breakdowns, but you don't need to spend a lot of time doing this, and I'll show you an example of another website now, which is this one here. This is called the Art of Snore. Now I know that this website here has generated well over £250,000 since it's been up. Now this is really basic. You can see this is the home page. They've got 1, 2, 3, 4. They've got 4 review items here. Scroll down here. In total, this website has got 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got 7 pages. That's it. They've got 7 pages in there, and it's earning Dan a hell of a lot of money for doing so. And all you do on here is click on read review. It will go in, it gives you a review on this mouthguard here, then it will link over to an affiliate platform, whether that is Amazon.com or whether that's Market Health or whichever affiliate program that is on. But it takes a little bit of time to set this up, and then after that it just brings you in a passive income. So you can see here, this is a review on this product here. Scroll down, and then look, you can go on here, click on here, and you can go and have a look at this, but ultimately it'll just be leading over to either Amazon or a different marketplace. It's really simple, it's really easy, and as you can see from this website here, this is not this will not take a long time to go ahead and set this up. It's just a really great way to make some extra money online. This is affiliate marketing. Find a product, go ahead, you find a product, you then go ahead and share content around that, whether that is on a blog, whether that is on a website, whether that is on YouTube, wherever, and then you go ahead and earn commissions. And the best way to do that is, like I said, with these review articles or these top 10 lists. So that is today's video. If you have any questions whatsoever, go ahead and leave them below. But thanks for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.